Want to download music from YouTube to MP3 in your PC, laptop, or Mac? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch Open any web browser and head over to youtube.com. Now, you want to tap on your profile icon. From here, click on YouTube Studio. Now, in this interface, on the left-hand panel, you want to scroll down a bit and find the option of Audio Library. Go ahead and select that. Now, you're going to find different audio options over here. Remember that by using the audio library, you agree with the YouTube audio library terms and conditions. Now, you can search for music, sound effects, or the start content over here. Once you have found the music that you want to download, go ahead and tap on the download option. Once you click on the download option, as you can see, it has been successfully downloaded. Now you can simply open it and it will start playing on your device. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.